Round Up family, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. I want to share with you what happens when you don't have the right contractor. Remember, if you go back, matter of fact, I'm going to rewind to the video before this. Will, I'm back at the Sky Zone at the Bouncy House in Hampton, Virginia. Will, the master towel man. Will, tell us what's going down.
Well, when you don't pay attention in school and you don't read that measuring tape right, you're going to mess somebody else's work up every single time. And this is what happens when you go to lunch and come back and just don't be paying attention to what you're doing.
Will is back at the Bouncy House having to redo the tile, rip out the floor. Oh, don't forget, we got Daddy Daycare. Hey, guys. Round Up. Look at this. What happened, Will?
Well, they have the partitions up.
What is partition?
They're what divides the toilet stalls.
So when I want to do number 2, nobody gonna see me.
Nobody can see you.
Will they put it in right here?
Yeah, and he was off by several inches, so then he tried to move it over, but then he was still off by several inches.
How can you be off on the toilets right? Or where the toilet's not in, Will?
The ADA wall is over there. He's supposed to be 60 inches off of that wall over there, and he ended up starting from this way instead of he started from left to right instead of starting right to left. By the time he got down here, the partition was sitting so close to the toilet that you weren't able to get in there. So they had to take him down and try to slide him over, but that didn't work either. And then once the owner seen all the holes drilled in the tile, they were like, no sir. They called me up, said come out here. I was supposed to be doing a little finish up over there. Right behind the door that's behind us. I was just supposed to put in those couple tile and go home. And when I got here this morning, it was a whole nother story.
I cannot believe you're ripping out the entire wall.
Had to get the plumber out here. The plumber had to come out and take all of his stuff loose so that I could take my stuff down. And the petition guy had to take his petition down.
All this stuff was supposed to. Is he gonna come back, Will, or is he gonna hire somebody else?
I hope they hire somebody else because that guy can't read no tape measure. I mean, it's simple.
I cannot believe it.
Yeah, and after he messed up this bathroom, what did he do? No, he didn't stop. He went next door and messed that one up too. So I'm like, come on.
He did both bathrooms, Will.
Both.
Let's go take a look at that one. Will, you are joking, Will. Both bathrooms, Round Up. This is what happens when you don't hire the right people for the job. Will, I don't believe it.
Right in here. Pick a record.
You already fixed this one?
No, we still have to we gotta wait for the guy to come in to take the petitions down.
What's wrong with this one? It doesn't look too bad.
So this one here,
Let's see how big it is.
yeah, we just pretty.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
We have a couple right here that's gotta come out, so we got that. We got a couple in the floor that's gotta come out.
Oh, he put them in wrong. He put these in wrong.
So yeah, and all of this has got to come down.
I can't believe it.
And,
I can't believe it, Will.
yeah, and when you look at it at first look, it doesn't really look that bad.
Nah, it doesn't.
But then once
But I got a brand new place with holes in my tile. I don't want these holes. Point those out so they can see.
yeah, and that's what the issue is.
Those holes right
It's a
there.
fairly new building, and then it has the holes in it.
I want brand new stuff. Round Up. I want brand new stuff. We out your way, bro. Let's hit it. Oh, excuse me. I want brand new stuff if I'm spending it with the money they spending to put this thing up. Brand new. Look at the Sky Zone, y'all. Brand new bouncy house. What do you say, Will?
It's not gonna happen. It's gonna get remodeled.
This is unbelievable. So what is your takeaway from this, Will?
My takeaway is measure twice, cut once. That's an old saying where carpenters usually use, and you got to be on point with that measurement, man. And these little things can really throw everything else off, and that's kind of what we're faced with right now. We just kind of.
Believe it, Will. You are blowing my mind right now with this coming. I can't stand doing work twice. I know you hate it too.
Yeah, I really hate it. But they sent my man Prince out here with me, so he's trying to make it easy on me and help me get it tore out and everything because you know, it's to no fault of the tile installer, which is me. So it's not my fault at all, but you know, it's just something that you have to deal with. And
So what is he doing now? So you gotta scrape all that mud off?
yeah, we gotta scrape all of this that off and get it back down flat so that we can build it back out, so we can then set it back on there and make it structurally sound, so that they can drill through it again, hopefully in the right place.
I cannot believe I'm witnessing this roundup. He called this one. I said I have to come by here and show you this. It's unreal. I know whoever's responsible for this is pissed.
Yeah. It's costing somebody a lot of money. Let me tell you that. It's costing somebody some money.
Do it right once, okay, guys?
Do
Bubba,
it right the first time.
do it right once.
Yeah.
Round up.
If you take pride in your work today, you won't have to worry about how to fix it tomorrow.
Good Lord.
And that's just, you know.
Roundup, make sure you subscribe. Hire the right people. Happy New Year, Roundup family. I love you. Chris Haskins, subscribe, like the content. Peace.